The OMNI Adapter for Composer Pro 2 is exciting because it combines two of Lensbaby's amazing systems together for the first time. The OMNI Creative Filter System, which goes on normal camera lenses, and the ever-popular Composer Pro 2, a special lens body that features the Optic Swap System. Clip the adapter on, spin its filter ring on, and add the included magnetic effects wands. The adapter allows a combination of optical effects for the ultimate in creative control. Focus, sweet spot control, your choice of optic, and the OMNI effects wands are now right in front of your camera, simultaneously, for the first time ever. The results are only limited by your imagination.